Buy now, pay later, or BNPL, is transforming retail. Major brands like Apple and Amazon use it to increase sales, and now RV dealers can too. BNPL gives customers what they want right now, with no interest, no credit checks, and simple budget-friendly payments. It's fast, digital, and easy to use. For RV retailers, BNPL boosts F&I revenue by helping customers who finance through outside lenders, have limited credit or negative equity, and buy after delivery or through the service drive. Even cash buyers can raise F&I profits from $450 to $1,500 using BNPL. Choose a provider that's A+ rated, Dealer's Choice Award winning, and integrates right into your retailer software. Only the Zero Plan offers 0% interest, 0 down, and instant funding for seamless sales. Don't wait. Visit thezeroplan.com or call 866-954-1050 today and start increasing your F&I revenue.